In order to generate a BMP image file, we're going to need some pixel data. We've provided a simple module, fractal.py, which produces pixel values for the iconic Mandelbrot set fractal. We're not going to explain the fractal generation code in detail and still less the math behind it, but the code is simple enough and doesn't rely on any Python features we haven't encountered already. The key takeaway is that the Mandelbrot function uses nested list comprehensions to produce a list of lists of integers in the range 0 to 255, representing an image of the fractal. The integer value for each point is produced by the Mandel function. Let's fire up the REPL and use the Fractal and BMP modules together. First, we use the Mandelbrot function to produce an image of 448 by 256 pixels. You'll get best results using images with an aspect ratio of about 7:4. This last call may take a second or so. Our fractal generator is simple rather than efficient. We can take a look at the return data structure. A list of lists of integers, just as we were promised. Let's write those pixel values to a BMP file. Find the file and open it in an image viewer, for example by opening it in your web browser.